Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn about how we can save the transaction details on the worksheet. In the last video we have learned how we can use the coding for creating a ATM like software in Excel VBA giving voice command. Before proceeding further, once again let's check how it works. If I'll click directly on OK button, then what command it gives, let's see.
You cannot left blank amount field.
You cannot left blank amount field. Just put up some amount, again the amount field, then I'll click on OK.
You cannot left blank password field.
It says password field should not be left blank. Here I'm giving password, then I will click again OK.
You cannot left blank type of account field.
Type of account field should be whatever you want, you can put here. Then I will click on OK. This is the message box, and I will click on yes.
Thank you for using the bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
So in this way we can make a ATM like software by giving voice command. And today basically we will learn about how we can save all the transaction details on this particular data sheet. Let's start. This is the sheet 5. If this developer tab is not showing on your Excel worksheet, then go to file menu. Here click on options, then click on customize ribbon. Then here is an option which has been tick marked, developer tab. If this has not been tick marked, then tick mark it and click on OK, and then the developer tab will get activated. Now we'll go to Visual Basic. This is the Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 on the keyboard. This is the Visual Basic window. We have already learned how to use codes in the last video. If you have not watched that particular video, then you can click on the I button on the right hand side of the video, so that you will learn about the basic concept of the coding, how to make a ATM like software by giving voice command. Let's double click on OK button. We have already learned these are the codes which have been used for creating a software like in ATM. So let's write the coding for saving the data on the worksheet. Here I will take a variable. I will declare a variable dim lr as long. LR equal to LR means last row. LR equal to sheet 5. Since I am working on sheet 5 dot range. Range A and rows dot count. Rows dot count dot end. Excel of dot offset. Row index 1, column will be 0 dot row with sheet 5 with sheet 5 dot cells LR comma column 1 dot value equal to, will also take the serial number will automatically generated. And so here in between double quotation, go to the sheet, here just write equal to row, brackets are closed, -1. Just copy this one and cut and paste here. This is for row. We have taken 3 text boxes, so let's write cells. Cell are 4, text box 3. This is the command by using which we can save the transaction details on the worksheet. This is the message that has been given to the software. Do you want receipt? Maybe question, maybe yes, no, and then application.speech.speak. Thank you for using bank ATM and do not forget to visit again. This command will clear data. The contents in the text boxes will be cleared after the execution of the code. Let's check friend whether it works or not. You can debug this one. Go to debug menu here, click on debug, then compile with the project. Sorry, I have forgotten to write end with. Let's check again. Compile. Sorry, instead of n I have written here m. Let's check again. Okay, seems right. Let's check the software whether it works or not. If you directly press
You cannot left blank amount field.
So here put some amount, then password, then type of account, then press OK. See friends, the details has been saved on the worksheet. Cell number 1, amount 1000, 1000, then password, then type of account. This should be type of account instead of receipt. If I will click on yes button, then it will also.
Thank you for using the bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
And the contents have also been cleared from the text boxes. Take another example. 3000 password, then type of account, then press OK. This is the message box that we have given in the coding part. I will right now press.
Thank you for using the bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
So it works perfectly and the contents have been cleared from the text boxes. In this way friends, we can also save the transaction details on the worksheet. In the next video we will discuss about how we can only display the particular software on the desktop. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, otherwise you can also ignore the video. Thank you very much.